If you want to know how to add text on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So firstly, of course, we need to add our video on our timeline. We can also resize it if it's necessary. And what if we need to add text on our video? Basically, we have a couple of options. How can we do this? As you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have a timeline here and we have the option to add text from here. So if you'll click, we'll add these text. So basically, we can choose the template and it will be automatically added to our timeline. So all we need to do is basically drag and drop it. And the same feature, the same way of how can we do this is basically open this folder here in the left side menu. We have the folder which is called text. And if we'll click, we'll open this page inside. So after that, the object which is called text will be added to our timeline here. We can also add some more templates. As you can see, this folder contains from different templates we can use. For example, this one here, this one here. They have a lot of different styles and different animations. If you'll scroll down, we can find more interesting stuff basically. So for quotes, for text, and so on. For example, this one here looks like this. It has its own animation. And as you can see, it was automatically added to our text. It depends on your purposes and your aims. So this is the one way of how can we interact with this stuff. And one more thing I wanted to show is that we can easily, if you'll paste this text on our video, we can also change the duration. So as you can see, if you'll click on the corner and then we'll move something, we'll have the opportunity to change the duration of this text. In order to interact with text, we just simply need to click on it. And after that, as you can see in the right side, there was a menu where we can manage all this stuff. So we can change text, we can change font right up here. We can also manage with colors and so on. So for example, we can easily customize it. We can make this line like purple, change the color text to the yellow, for example, and so on. So after that, everything is ready and we can easily interact with our text. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.